Hey everyone, my name is Scomicmaker and welcome to, well, it's not exactly a free draw Friday. We are actually going to do something a little different. We're going to do an unboxing. As you guys know from my graphic novel fan art reviews, I really love graphic novels. So I'm a big fan of Cassandra, who has this comic series called Still Just Kidding, and so when I heard that she had a Kickstarter, I had to participate. So it's funny, today, July 31st, is my birthday, and it actually came in today, so it felt like a birthday present that I bought for myself. Obviously it's not going to be July 31st when you guys see it, but you know, whatever. So, I actually started to open it, you can see here, but then I stopped when I got here, so this side hasn't been touched at all. So I actually haven't opened this box because I realized partway through, I was like, wouldn't it be cool if I opened it for you guys to see? So, let's do that. Now, before you say anything, yes, I have the same birthday as the great Harry Potter himself. It's something that I'm unfortunately proud of. I'm sorry, that's so stupid. I just thought I should mention it. I don't know why. So, like I said, I've been a fan of Cassandra, I believe her last name is pronounced Calin, for a while now. And I actually, after posting on my Instagram for a while, or being more active on it, I guess, followed her and saw that she was doing a Kickstarter, and I love backing at least like graphic novels. I've done some other backed stuff like my husband and some of my sisters and I are big fans of board games, so I backed like Red Dragon and stuff. But it's my first time opening, it's my first time opening a box on camera, so that's going to be interesting. Before we start though, I should have said it at the very beginning, I love this box. It's so cool. Like normally the other Kickstarter stuff that I get, I usually don't get like a really cool box. Usually it like comes in a bag or like a thin, like one of those comic book sleeved. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, alright, let's see. So, according to my pledge, I only got the book. Add $10 to your pledge to also receive a pack of 12 greeting cards. No, I did not. I just got the book. But I think these came with it anyway, so let's take them out one at a time. So I got a super adorable and hilarious sticker set, which I would love to put in my sketchbook, but I don't think they'll fit now. I've got like, well, maybe I could cut them out, like cut them to fit the shape because they're kind of square. I don't know if you can see that. But I have pretty much, I need to get a bunch of smaller stickers. As you guys see in the sketchbook that I use in my videos, I'm like running out of room. And I definitely can't fit those in it, but I would love to put them in my next sketchbook. Then we got the Still Just Kidding card game, which I wonder, it's like Cards Against Humanity. I don't remember reading that in the Kickstarter. That's my bad. Here I am saying that I'm a fan, and then I didn't do my research. Ooh, this is so cool. It is a game, so it's like its own game. That's neat. Sweet. You are a human. Your objective is to persuade the other humans that you are good at this. You will score points by persuading them or catching them lying about their own lives. The first player to score 4 points wins. So it seems like it's... Huh. That is pretty cool. I will have to try out this game. Like I said, I'm all about like board games and stuff, so... Oh, these are so cute. Look at that. Ugh. It's so good. She's so good. Anyway. Anyway, I'll take a full gander at that another time. But let's look at the book. I think that's all that's in here. Man, they packaged this so good. Holy cow. Like, let me move this. I want to keep the box, but I have no reason to keep the box. No purpose to keep the box. Oh my god, it looks so good. This is like my dream, you guys. Like one day I want to print my own book. Maybe after my webcomic a day at a time. After I accumulate some more pages and stuff, I can make it into a book. Oh my god, it looks so good. And I love hardcover books. I know that a lot of people read books digitally now, but I just can't help myself. You should have seen me for my birthday. Like, my sisters were like, what do you want? I was like, I want books. And they're like, you always get books. I want to get you something different. But I'm like, but I love books. Like, for my birthday this year, I toned it down a bit, you guys. I bought 4 graphic novels. So let's take a look. Okay. Sorry, I'm like getting ahead of myself. This is so slick. Like, everything just goes together really well. Like the colors that she chose to do this like red, black, and yellow scheme. And white, I guess. Oh, so cool. So cool. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is, I assume that this also means that it's being put into stores and stuff. Because I would recommend, if you've never read her stuff, that you definitely should. She's hilarious. Like, oh my god. Oh, I'm dying, you guys. Oh my god. Her art is so good. Oh, and she's got like, oh, cool. Oh, cool. Oh, man. Yep, I'm reading this tonight. But she's got a lot of really, like, down-to-earth, like, I don't know, really relatable comics. And I'm sure if you have read any webcomic online or seen anything, like, floating around as far as comics are concerned, her comics get reposted by a lot of people, as they really shouldn't. Like, please always credit the artist, or link them at least. But yeah, her stuff is really popular, I would say. I mean, I've seen it pop up a bunch of places. So gosh, this looks so good. And she's added like the color. Oh girl. Okay, well, as I said, you should definitely check her out if you have not. Once again, her name is Cassandra Calin, right? Cassandra Calin right there. I will leave a link to anything that I can find of hers. So Instagram, if she's got a website, you know, things like that. I'll post all of her information if you guys have not seen her stuff before. Like I said, I really recommend you check her out. She just seems like a really down-to-earth, like, cool, fun person, and she draws really pretty shiny hair, and I can totally admire that. So that's it for this one. If you guys like seeing me open up graphic novels and just screech and geek about it, I would love to do that another time. I'm always looking at Kickstarter. If you guys see something that you think I might like, recommend it to me. And I would love to pick up another book and look at it and open it on camera and do all that. I know this is kind of different than like the stuff that I've done before, where I've done like a graphic novel fan art review. Some people have been asking me about that. I plan to do those in the future. So I've just been really busy. I wanted to do them once a month, but it's just not realistic. But I will do them whenever I can. So thank you guys so much for watching. And this is just an extra bonus video because I felt like it, and it was my birthday and I wanted to have a good time. So I will see you on my next Free Draw Friday. And I hope that we can draw together again soon. Bye guys.